One, two, three, one, two, three. What the fuck are we doing? What the fuck are we doing in this project? We are doing in this project how to do a virtual tour around my university or my institute. This isn't a tutorial. I will say this is a devlog, and I want to share with you how I am doing this tour. So let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, okay. So I was looking for some tutorials on YouTube, um, something like this, virtual tour, but um, to scale the project, it will it will require so much resources from your computer. So when when the technique they are using in the tutorials is changing the skybox in all the global scene, so they are using multiple scenes to change every skybox, every ubication on the map. We say, for example, here I want to move to this ubication, right? So they are using this object. When you click on them, you will teleport to the next ubication. But to change the texture or the skybox, they use another skybox, right? So my technique is much better because you you just need one, how can I say it, just one scene. Yes, one scene only. And for this I create a sphere with with this mesh render that had material for the every photo, every every texture I will need. So when I change or I click in this object, it will teleport me for the target sphere with the specific texture, right? It's just an sphere, 3D sphere with texture, and this is a script, a test script, right? So when I change, when I let me show you, let me show you. Less words and more actions, right? Okay. How I move this shit? Okay. Mm. Uh, this thing don't move. If I move this, it want not to move, so I can hit the play button. The UI from the recording software is not letting me to push to click on the button of the Unity button, play the Unity play button. You know, uh, how I do it. Oi, oi, you can listen. I think this is a car with the music, stereo music. Yeah, no, it's a motorcycle. Oi. I had this motorcycle with speakers, loud speakers. so fun, so fun, so fun. I want something like that too. Let me show you how I can the fuck move this motherfucking. I know. Yeah. Okay. We hit the play button, and I will click. I have a script, and for the teleportation mechanic. Here, when I click this object, is a trigger collider or not? Yes, yes, yes. It's a trigger collider. So when I hit, it teleport me to the next sphere. To the next sphere. So it simulates I can move even I don't need another scene with um, with a bunch of different objects. This uh, uh, changing the scene of a scene, it costs a lot of resources to the your computer to do this mechanic, this next step. So in every sphere we have a button. I create a UI button, 2D. You don't need a 3D, just 2D with 3D collider. I put to this button I put a capsule collider. You know, you only just adjust it for your needs. I adjusted just like this. I don't need too much. And for the next sphere, you only need to set your buttons as your needs. Like my next image, it will be around. You move it like this, around here. This is my next sphere. Well, it represents the next ubication I will put my sphere. So yeah, that's it. I will let you the scripts, and I will let you this project in the description, the video description to your needs. That's all for me, and I hope you find useful this project.